Pete the Cat, Hungry for Lunch. Book number 5, Short U Sound. In this story, you will read or hear words with the short U vowel sound. Look for these words in the story and sound them out. Begun, crunchy, done, fun, hungry, just, loves, lunch, munch, plum, up, wonders, yummy. Here are some sight words. Are, for, he, is, it, make, no, to, what. Here are some fun Pete the Cat words. Crackers, finds, fish, next, time. Pete the Cat is hungry. It is time for lunch. Pete wonders what to make for lunch. Pete finds a yummy fish. Is he done? No. Pete finds a plum. Is he done? No. Crunchy crackers are up next. Is he done? No. The fun has just begun. Munch, munch. Pete the Cat loves lunch. Sub and like.